Okay, this is an overview of the two types of graphics used on computers: vector graphics and bitmap graphics. Vector graphics are also known as line art, object-oriented graphics, and clip art. Bitmap graphics, it's a general category, don't confuse it with the file extension BMP, are JPEG, GIFs, and TIFFs, are bitmap graphics. Vector graphics are made up of little lines and curves, but they're created by mathematical formulas, while bitmap graphics are made of tiny little squares called pixels, and they're mapped. Bitmap graphics generally come from scanners or cameras, or you can make them on a computer, but they map pixels from a visual source, like you're taking a picture of a house, that's the source, and then recreate them with bits on a screen, and it maps it. Think of mapping. Here's a different look. A bitmap graphic is dotted and pixelated. Vector graphics are generally cleaner because they're made up of lines from mathematical formulas. Look, a close-up look of a bitmap graphic. You can tell it's more pixelated. A vector graphic is line or object oriented. Vector graphics, here are some examples of what a vector graphic looks like. They're simpler, cleaner looking, and they're created with mathematical formulas and vectors. They don't lose any quality when you're enlarged, but they can be very detailed also. Vector graphics are original artwork because they're 100% computer generated. Technical drawings, logos, signs, symbols, icons, clip art, borders, and frames. Again, the idea is that they're clean, they're resizable. Also, one big advantage of a vector graphic is that you could embed other information. So in a technical drawing, you can include specific mathematical specs or added descriptions on a line or object. Here's some comparative examples, right? You have the vector graphic, line, object oriented. It can be resized, reshaped. The visual information is going to be consistent. Bitmap graphic, it gets blurry and fuzzy. Another example.